Hello and welcome. In an age filled with fleeting financial advice, one ancient book stands out as a timeless guide to wealth building. The Richest Man in Babylon. With its simple practical lessons, this book has helped millions achieve financial independence. Today, I am breaking down 8 of its most powerful money lessons that can transform the way you manage your money, build wealth, and secure your financial future. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. Before you meet any obligation, pay yourself first by reserving 10% at least of your income. The actionable or key takeaway from this lesson is to give attention to your savings over spending. Regardless of your income, make it a habit to save before you spend. This is the bedrock upon which wealth is built. If you earn 100,000, set aside 10,000 as your first act, taking advantage of the compounding effect, understanding that wealth grows not in leaps and bounds, but in consistent stride. Like a seed buried in fertile soil, small amounts saved will flourish over time, yielding abundant return. You don't only earn interest on your contribution or savings with compounding, the interest itself also generates returns over time. If you only save what remains after your indulgence, you shall find nothing left. Make savings non-negotiable. Establish it as a sacred practice. And lesson 2. Control your expenses. As the wise old man of the temple advises, mastering your expenses is crucial to accumulating wealth. One must live below their means, and the key takeaway from this lesson is avoiding lifestyle inflation. After earning more, Akkad resisted the urge to upgrade his lifestyle, showing that true wealth required discipline and control. The story of Rodon, the spear maker, illustrates the folly of overspending on luxuries. He understood or learned to differentiate between essential needs and fleeting desires, allowing him to save more and track your expenses. Just as the merchant in Babylon tracked his expenses, you too should monitor where your money goes. Awareness will empower you to make more informed choices. And lesson 3. Make your money work for you. Akkad emphasizes that wealth is not solely about saving, but about investing wisely to allow your money generate more money. The key takeaway from this lesson is to invest in what you understand. Akkad invested in opportunities he understood, like real estate and lending, demonstrating the importance of knowledge in investment decisions. The characters in the book illustrate how reinvesting profit into your business allowed them to amplify their worth exponentially. Akkad warned against the allure of fast profits, emphasizing that steady, reliable investment leads to lasting wealth. And at lesson number 4, protect your wealth. As Akkad advises, safeguarding your riches is just as important as accumulating them. Wise choices will shield you from losses. And the key takeaway from this lesson is to seek expert advice where necessary. Akkad learned from the wise men of Babylon, demonstrating the value of consulting knowledgeable individuals before making financial decisions. The tale of the investor who lost everything due to speculation serves as a warning. Akkad instead encourages us to pursue stability over uncertainty in our investment. Protecting your asset, as highlighted by the prudent decision of Babylon's wealthy citizens, ensures that the unforeseen circumstances do not derail their financial stability. And at lesson 5, ensure a future income. To secure your financial future, Akkad stresses the importance of investing in enduring assets that generate income even in your absence. The main takeaway from this lesson is to invest for the long term. Akkad's foresight in setting aside wealth for retirement exemplifies the wisdom of planning for tomorrow through smart investments. The story of a man who purchased rental property illustrates how investments can generate ongoing income even when they are not actively working. Akkad advises against relying solely on one source of income, encouraging the pursuit of multiple streams to ensure or secure your financial resilience. Lesson 6. Increase your ability to earn. Your earning potential is limitless if you commit to continually enhancing your skill and knowledge, as demonstrated by Aka's journey from lack to wealth. The key takeaway from this lesson is to invest in yourself. Aka's journey illustrates the best investment lies in self-improvement, enabling you to increase your earning potential over time. Characters like brickmakers succeeded by mastering skills that held value in Babylon, showcasing the importance of staying relevant in the marketplace. As the economy changed, those who adapted like Akkad were able to strive. Continuous learning is essential to maintain your earning capacity. And lesson 7, don't let debt consume you. Akkad again teaches that avoiding unnecessary debt is crucial. If you must borrow, do so with caution, ensuring it serves a purpose. The key takeaway here is to limit debt to necessary investment. Akkad only accepted debt when it was for acquiring assets that appreciated in value, such as education or property. Akkad again cautions against borrowing for luxury. Strive to pay cash for whatever you desire rather than risking your financial future. Lesson 8. Give back. Wealth is most fulfilling when shared, as Akkad revealed. Giving enriches both the giver and the community. The key takeaway from this lesson is giving builds fulfillment. Akkad found profound satisfaction in sharing his wealth, understanding that true prosperity comes from uplifting others. Once financial stability is secured, contribute to a charitable cause or support your community as seen in the lives of Babylon's wealthy. Acts of kindness often yields greater reward. Akkad's generosity paved the way for new opportunities and connections in his life. This 8 timeless lesson from the richest man in Babylon resonates as profoundly today as it did in ancient time. By weaving these principles into the fabrics of your life, you will not only cultivate wealth, but also achieve the security and freedom that every prudent individual seeks. If this helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel so you stay fresh about latest contents created just for your well-being. Take care and always make change happen for you. Bye-bye.